everybody, this is Kelly from Smith Consulting, and today I'm going to be talking about using RazorCart booking in the hotel and hospitality industry. RazorCart booking can be used for a whole bunch of different industries. It can be used for professionals to book time slots on their calendars, such as attorneys or advisors, even tax professionals. It could also be used for day rentals, such as bike rentals at the beach, heavy equipment rentals, table, chair, and party tent rentals, etc. So today we're going to focus on the hotel application. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and we'll move forward. So you'll see here that I have a couple different options set up for rooms in my demo hotel. I'm going to go ahead and click on one of them just so you can get an idea. Keep in mind this is all fully customizable. We can modify it to match your existing website or match your branding and marketing materials. So this is the king room. I'm going to go ahead and select a start date and an end date. So maybe I will stay Monday through Friday. And maybe I'll need 2 rooms. So I'm going to go ahead and add this to my reservation and check out. So you'll see here it has all of the confirmation information, and then you can go ahead and enter the billing details for your customer. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and copy the details over from my shipping information and then enter my demo credit card number. I'm going to complete my reservation and place the order. So the user gets a confirmation. They can also receive a confirmation email, and they can also opt into text messages to get text message reminders for their upcoming stay. And those are completely customizable for what you want them to say. If you'd like to make suggestions to visit your website for places to eat or attractions to visit. I'm going to go ahead and go back to my demo store. And now that I'm a checked-in user, I've booked my stay, I have the ability to book appointments within the spa. So I can select spa service, and you'll notice that if I select more expensive services, the price will adjust automatically. I can enter my room number for the room that I'm staying at within the hotel and then book a date and time. So if I'm going to be at the hotel Monday through Friday, I may want to book a spa appointment for Tuesday. Tuesday at, 6 p.m. So I can go ahead and add that to my cart. And then again, I can just check out through the checkout process to confirm my spa reservation, get email reminder and a text message reminder as well that I have an appointment booked at the spa upcoming. Another use case is ordering room service directly to the room within a hotel. You can select from the menu items. These are all completely customizable. Enter your room number and enter the date and time that you'd like to have it delivered. So maybe on Thursday, I'd like to have breakfast delivered at 9 a.m. I'm on vacation after all. And I can go ahead and add that to my cart. And again, I have the ability to check out through the shopping cart process. There are a few different ways that we can do this. We can have the clients enter their credit card numbers here, or we can have them bill it to the room. Most hotels that are using this software will like to have the clients enter the credit card number online just to keep a deposit for their appointment that they've booked. So whether it's a room service appointment or a spa booking appointment. Another great use case for hotel and hospitality booking is being able to reserve the conference room online once you're a guest at the hotel. A lot of us travel for business, and smaller hotels may only have one conference room. So the ability to know that you have access to it before you get there without having to call and schedule it with the staff is a great functionality to be able to offer your guests, as well as saving your staff some time. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my room number and then pick a start date. The end date is the same as the start date, and then what time I'm able to book it. So I could book it from 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. And I'm going to go ahead and add this to my cart. And while that's going, I'm going to open up the admin console for RazorCart just to show you how restrictive and how customizable you can make this booking. So I'm going to open up my conference center product, and I'm going to click on the booking tab. So in the booking tab here, I have Sundays disabled every week. That way users are not booking the business conference center to use on Sundays. You can change this however you see fit. And I also have disabled time ranges, so it won't allow a user to book from 8 p.m. to 7 a.m. because the conference room is closed for cleaning. With other products such as our spa product, our spa booking product, you are able to book out specific times instead of time ranges. So if your staff goes on lunch every day from 12 to 1 p.m. and you don't want to take appointments during that time, you have the ability to set that here within the admin console. So now that I've showed you a little bit on how you can customize the available dates and times for your booking products, I'm going to go ahead and open up the booking report so you can see some of the orders that we did on this demo. You're able to see the room that I reserved, the spa appointment that I booked, as well as the conference center rental and the room service rental. And on any of these, you're able to click on it and it'll open up all of the customer details. That way, if the customer calls and wants to change or modify anything, or you'd like to add some notes, such as this customer is on a work trip or they are on their honeymoon, so that your staff can have access to all of the information, you can do that here. Within the RazorCart admin console, you get to determine which members of your staff have access to which pieces of information. While some of the upper level management staff may have full access to all of the customer booking details, some of your other staff may need a more limited access, and you can configure that here. By opening the store setup panel and selecting permissions, you have the ability to add restrictive access to your admin. So you might have an event coordinator role, which allows access to all of the booking information for the conference and event centers, or you might have front desk role, which allows access to the booking calendar and which rooms are reserved, so that if a customer calls the hotel on the phone and wants to make a booking, you can see the availability that you have for booking during those days or times. So what happens when a potential customer from your hotel calls the hotel and asks to book a room? The answer is simple. This is an all-in-one system. Your staff and your customers can both book through this system. Your staff can book on behalf of your customers. It's the same thing if one of the customers walks up to the front desk and wants to reserve the conference room. We have an integrated state-of-the-art point-of-sale system that allows you to keep all of your reservation data, appointment data, and all other booking data in one place in the RazorCart booking system. If you have any questions about this demo or you want to schedule a custom demo of your own, you can send us an email to our help desk at support@smith-consulting.com, or you can pick up the phone and give us a call where one of our staff members would be more than happy to answer your questions. Thank you so much for watching.